I was 40 years old working 2 full-time jobs. I was a freight broker by day. I was an Amazon warehouse worker by night. And when that wasn't enough, I'd hop in my car and go do DoorDash on the side just to pay the bills. I was exhausted. I was embarrassed. I was angry. I was sad. I was depressed. But then everything changed in about 84 days. I landed a work from home job making $75,000 a year, and that's more than what I was making from those 3 things combined. And I did it all with no experience in the field, no degree, no connections. Just one online course that cost me less than a single paycheck and some hustle. Look, I'm Dre. In this video, I'm gonna break down exactly how I did it step by step. So stay tuned. Let's get to the content.
Don't play me, pay me. Cut the tech.
Now let me take you back real quick. So this is what my day looked like. I'd wake up at 7 a.m., I'd get dressed, grab a diet pop of some sort on my way to work, clock in for my freight job at 8 o'clock, try to stay focused while my body was still recovering from loading boxes at Amazon the night before. Then I'd clock out at 5 o'clock p.m., go home, change clothes, hop back in the car, head to Amazon, get there by 6:15 p.m., and I'm back at it, lifting, stacking, sweating in the warehouse until 4 a.m. Now I get home about 5 a.m., take a 2-hour nap, start all over again at 7 o'clock a.m. And on those days that I didn't have to go to my second job, I'm doing DoorDash. This was the cycle. And I absolutely hated it. Not just the hours, but the feeling that no matter how hard I worked, like I was still broke. I was still behind on bills. Still praying that nothing happened to my car and my car broke down. Like I felt like I was drowning in work, like in fear, in depression, hopelessness. And I remember thinking, yo, is this it? Is this what my life is gonna be? Like, how did I end up here? But then one night, something changed. Like I was heading into a shift at Amazon and I was scrolling through YouTube. I was dead tired and I was looking for anything that I could listen to that could take my mind off of being at work in this warehouse for an hour or so. And I came across this video. It was a 19-year-old kid talking about how he broke into a $100,000 a year tech sales job in 14 days with no degree and no experience. And he did it all by taking an online course. It was interesting. Now the course was called CourseCareers. At first, I was skeptical. Like I know a get rich quick scheme when I see one. Like I'm from the hood, you ain't gonna hustle me. Right? But something about this felt different. Like it wasn't hype. Like this was practical. It was real skills. Like it was real companies, real support. And the main thing was like it had a free intro course so I could test it without dropping a dime. So I said, yo, what do I gotta lose? Now here's how I turned that course into a $75,000 remote job at 84 days. Step 1, I committed. After doing the free course, like I decided I was gonna purchase the full course. So I bought it and it was only $450, but the difference was I treated it like I paid $450,000 for it. I went all in like it was something that was gonna save my life because for me, like it actually was. And so I studied every chance I got. I wasn't on social media. I wasn't listening to music. I wasn't on YouTube unless I was watching somebody that was helping me get through the course or something like that. Even when I was tired, even when I doubted myself, I kept going. And I finished the course and earned my certificate in only 24 days. Now, step 2, I learned how to market myself. So after securing the certificate, my next goal was to actually go get a job. So I learned how to market myself. Like tech sales isn't about being techie. In fact, you don't have to know anything technical. Like you don't code or anything like that. This is a role about communication, like curiosity, solving problems. So the course showed me how to build a strong LinkedIn, how to write a real resume, how to present my story even without experience, and it showed me how to stand out among all the other candidates. Step 3 was networking and apply aggressively. Now that I had my certification and my resume was good and my LinkedIn was good, I followed CourseCareers' job hunting strategy to the letter. I identified the companies I wanted to work for. I reached out to hiring managers, recruiters, directors of sales, VPs of sales, anybody that would connect me with the person that I could interview with. I was just trying to get people's attention. So I practiced interviews. I documented my journey on LinkedIn and YouTube, and companies started to notice. Step 4, landing interviews and then land the offer. 60 days after earning my certificate, I landed my first role. A remote company offered me a sales development representative position. $75,000 entry level, fully remote, great benefits like unlimited PTO. Fam, I cried. Not because of the money, but because for the first time in a long time, I felt free. Man, I've been working 90 hours a week for so long that I literally didn't know what it felt like to be normal again. Like something as simple as being able to cook and enjoy a meal with my family, like that was something that was so dope to me because I hadn't done it in years. Now this is the part that gives me chills. Like I'm not just a CourseCareers alumni, now I'm blessed to be a coach with them as well. So now I get to help people just like like me, like people that are grinding 2 or 3 jobs, feeling stuck, feeling helpless, feeling hopeless. Like I help them make pivots and break out of that old life. And I absolutely love it because if it worked for me, like a guy with no degree, like no experience, no connections, just some hustle, like it can work for you too. So if you resonate with any part of my story, if you feel like I felt, here's what I want you to do. I want you to find a course that can teach you the skills that you need in a short amount of time for a fraction of the price. Now, it doesn't need to be CourseCareers. There's a ton of courses out there. Now, of course, since I took CourseCareers and I'm a coach, I'm gonna suggest that you do that one in particular, right? So you can hit the link in the description and check out CourseCareers. They got a ton of career options. It's not just tech. And the best part is they've got a free introductory course so you could try it without any kind of financial obligation. So if you got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll read every single one of them. And while you're there, do me a favor. Like this video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel because we're building a community here, one that helps people pivot their careers and rewrite their own stories, right? So come join us. Be part of the Cut the Tech family. We got a motto around here. Our motto is this: don't play me, pay me. Cut the Tech, you heard? Look forward to hearing from you.
Don't play me, pay me. Cut the tech.